Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I would like to display how to convert multiple JPG files into a single PDF file. To do so, we need to download a JavaScript library file from the CDN. I have already downloaded it and converted into a JavaScript library file. This file needs to upload the applications, share components, and link it to the page. First we need to go share component of the application and upload the JavaScript library file here. This is the uploading process of the library file in the share component. Now we need to create a page. For to do so, first create a blank page, name the page here. Now create a region for file browse, create a item for browsing, uploading the JPG files, set its properties, allows multiple files, yes, and then create button, rename it for uploading the JPG files from the systems. Create another button to convert the uploaded JPG files into the PDF, and then at last create another button to download the converted PDF files. Changes this some properties of three buttons. Change its position. It is not needed. As you wish to change, then change, otherwise skip it. Create another region to display the uploaded image file. The region type of course should be the PLSQL dynamic content, and write a PLSQL code here to create HTML content. Now create JavaScript functions to process the uploaded JPG files. And some simple CSS for displaying the JPG files. Create the dynamic action into the button, uploaded button, to display the uploaded image into the page. Here is the function is responsible to display the images. And here the JavaScript library files linking, and create a dynamic action on the download button to download the converted PDF file. Here is the function call to download. Create a hidden field to store the converted PDF file source. Create a new region to display converted PDF file, and change its properties. Template option is inline dialog. Create another region, sub-region into the display PDF regions, and change its type to interactive report, and write a sample query here. We will change it later. Add another true action into the button convert dynamic actions. This is for calling the inline dialog region. When you press that button, the dialog will be populated to displaying the converted PDF files. Changes some properties. Here the original query. Need to submit the item. Which item is stored the URL of the converted PDF files. Select the give a static ID of the report container. Yes, uploaded, and the files are converted. Now change some properties. It's optional. It's for formatting the Outlook. Convert, and the uploaded JPG files convert into the PDF file. That's for all today. If found helpful, please like, comment, shares, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.